His house was once a grand and beautiful mansion, full of life, memories, and stories. But over time, everything changed. Years of neglect have left it broken and forgotten, with cracked walls, shattered windows, and overgrown weeds surrounding it. Every brick holds a story, yet no one is there to listen. An old man, who once had a deep connection with this house, now stands in front of it, his eyes filled with sadness, but also a quiet hope. Maybe this house can rise again, with a little care, a little effort, and the courage to begin anew. This abandoned place can once again become a home full of life.
On it. This will take some elbow grease. Good. Keep at it, men. All right, let's get this grass down. Start from the front. Got it. I'll take the sides and clear the ivy. I'm on the steps, raking up the clippings. Good. Watch for debris near the foundation. Yeah, but we'll get it under control. The ivy on the house looks good, though. Focus on the job. We'll admire it later. Steady pull, watch your footing. Got it, moving up. Almost there, keep the rhythm. Yeah, good pace. Steady pull, almost there. Got it, wall's rough here. Use the brush on the trim. Looks better, one more level. This is coming together nicely. Yeah, almost there. Let's get the rest from the right. Good call. Ready? Ready. Let's finish this. Okay, this side is scrubbed. Great, almost done here. Rinsing now, watch for splashes.
Looks so much better. We're almost done.
This grass is really overgrown. Yeah, but we'll get it cleared up. Good, let's keep at it. This yard is a mess. Let's get it done. Right. I'll start from the left side, and I'll take the right. We'll meet in the middle. Good. Let's pile it all here. This yard is a mess. Let's get it done. Right. I'll start from the left side, and I'll take the right. We'll meet in the middle. Good. Let's pile it all here. Keep it steady, lads. This pile's getting big. Almost done here. Good work, team. It looks tidy. Ladder secure, start cleaning. Hand me the squeegee. Ready for the squeegee? Yeah, send it up. Here you go. Got it. Looks clear. Good. I'll get the lower one. Okay, moving up now. Looks good from here. Ready for the water? Yeah, send it up. All right, scrubbing now. Here's the squeegee. Looks good. All done. Perfect. Ready? I'm spraying now. Got it. Scrubbing now. Looks good. Squeegee next. All clear. Nice work. Spray it higher up. Got it. How's this? Good. Now the next pane. Moving up. Perfect. That's clean. Ready for the rinse? Yeah, go ahead. Squeegee coming up. Got it. Looks good. Target locked, spraying top roof now. Pressure steady, coverage is good. Keep it steady, adjust for drift. Hit it good with the foam.
Let's get this grass cleaned up.
Okay, I'll start bagging.
Good, I'll rake it into piles.
This is going much faster.
Teamwork makes it easy. This yard is a mess. Let's clear this section first.
Right, I'll start from this side.
Watch for that ivy by the wall.
Got it. This is looking much better. Furniture. Okay, I'll help you lift that. Careful with the splinters. Got it, this piece is heavy. Careful with that leg, it's splintering. Got it, this whole thing is a mess. Yeah, let's just pile it up for now. Right, I'll get the broom after. This is coming along nicely. Yeah, the grain is looking great. Ready for the last leg? Go for it. Perfect fit, looks solid. Keep scrubbing.
I know, it's coming off.
Good, let's keep going.
These walls are tough.
Let's do the windows next.
Good idea, I'll grab the cloth.
You take the bottom, I'll do the top.
It's coming clean already.
Let's get this window sparkling.
Okay, I'll start on this side.
Looking good, keep it even.
Got it, almost done here.
Perfect, looks crystal clear.
Teamwork makes it easy. This side is looking great.
Thanks, let me get this pane.
Perfect, it's so shiny now.
Teamwork makes it fun. To it, I'll take the center. Watch your step on the slope. This stuff is stubborn. Keep at it, we're making progress. Let's get this section cleared. Moving up this side. I'll sweep towards you. Good, keep it steady. Almost done here. Keep it steady, boys.
Yeah, this spot's tough. Almost done with this patch. Good pace, watch the edge. Got it, looks clear. All right, let's get this facade cleaned up. Watch the pressure, don't damage the ivy. Okay, let's get this door looking new again. Right, I'll start with the glass. I'll get the ladder up. All right, let's get this door clean first. Got it, I'll check the windows up top. Good idea, be careful on that ladder. Will do.
Up top looks good. Need the brush? Yeah, pass it up. Got it. I'll spray this. Looks better already. Almost done. Good work. Hand me the scrub brush. Got it. Here you go. Thanks. Looks much better. I'll get the windows down here. Good. Almost done. All right, let's clear this door. Right. On 3.
I'll get the
Let's start with the door. Okay, I'll take the frame. I'll get the steps. Watch for loose stone. Good work. Keep going. Keep it steady, boys. Let's get this cleared. Got it. These steps are stubborn. Almost done with this rail. Door's looking better. This wall's seen better days. Yeah, but we'll get it clean. Watch for loose pieces. Got it, keep going.
Yeah, but we'll get it clean. Keep at it.
This is a lot. Watch for sharp stuff.
Got it, let's just fill the bags. Good, keep it steady. Let's get this picked up.
Okay, cans in one pile.
Got it, bottles over here. Good, keep it steady.
Away, start sweeping.
Got it, pushing it forward.
Good, bag it up.
This is dusty.
Almost done.
Let's get this mess cleaned up. Right? Pile it by the bag.
Got it. This is a lot.
Almost done. Good work.
All right, let's get this section cleared.
You got it, I'll bag it. This side's almost done.
Good work. Keep it moving. Almost there.
Yeah, looking better already. I'll get the bucket. Let's start from the far end. Much better.
All right, let's get this floor cleared out. On it. This thing's sucking up a ton. I'm sweeping the big stuff to the center. Good. We'll bag it all at the end. This is taking longer than I thought. Yeah, but it looks great. Keep going. All right, let's finish this section. Sounds good. Almost done. Let's start clearing these weeds here. Got it. I'll bag them up. These roots are deep. Keep pulling. Looking good. Almost done here.
Okay, let's get these ones.
Right, I'll start here. Good progress. Let's keep it up.
Almost done with this section.
Okay, team, let's get this roof cleaned up. On it, boss. Starting the wash. Scrub team, watch for falling debris.
Got it. Looks better already.
Great work, team. Almost done.
Keep it steady up there. Got it. Moving up now. Watch for runoff. Clearing the top now.
Looking good up there. Keep it steady. Yeah, almost done with this section. Great, we'll get the next wall ready. Sounds good.
All right, starting on the ivy. Looks good. Keep it steady. Moving to the upper section. Perfect. That pressure is working. Almost done here. All right, I'm spraying this section now. Got it. I'll start scrubbing. Move up a bit, higher. Okay, scrubbing higher now. Perfect, that's looking clean.